I'd love to introduce you to our, what we call our white swirl filling. It goes in great harmony with our purple wheat raisin bread that we're going to show you. I'm going to mix it in 2 stages. I'm going to treat it like a cake batter where we don't want it to lump up. So I'm going to add about half my amount of water here. Now this is about 23% water based on the weight of the white swirl filling. So a little bit of water at the bottom, about half the amount. Then let's go ahead and dump this in. Now that some of that water has been incorporated, I'm just going to slowly add the rest of it. And at the end, you'll see we have a nice smooth paste. Okay, you can see we have our white cinnamon swirl filling here. And what we're going to do, we're going to use this, like I said, it's going to form perfect harmony with our purple wheat raisin bread. So I want you to take a close look at this purple wheat raisin bread here. The purple wheat is actually an ancient grain. It's been around for a few thousand years, but we think it's just about to explode on the market here. Basically, it has some great antioxidant qualities to it. You get 2 slices of this. It's actually equal to about, I'd say 1/8 of a cup of blueberries for its antioxidants, which really help the body out. It is a whole grain. It is an all-natural product, so that you can be afraid to use it in a clean label product. Also, 0 grams of trans fats. So it's very good for you. What we're going to do here is, we don't want to put a whole lot in. We're going to put about 6 ounces. So that's about 3 of these scoops. Okay, once I got it rolled up, spread out, I'm just going to go ahead and fold it up. And I'm not going to tuck and pull it. I'm just going to kind of roll it up as you would any typical bread that you're going to put a filling in and roll it up. And this is about 1.5 pound loaf. Also with this purple wheat raisin bread, we built in some strengtheners to it so we can carry the weight of these raisins that we put in at about 75%, which really makes it a premium product. What we did, like I said, we rolled up our bread, we put it in a loaf pan, topped it with some almonds, and baked it for about 35 minutes at about 360 degrees. We let it totally cool off. We don't want to cut this until that swirl kind of sets up in the middle there, or else it kind of will ooze out. So what we have, the end result is our beautiful award-winning, from the 2009 National Raisin Board, award-winning bread.